Well, we have got a little bit of a YouTube short here. I got you guys an update on the Massey 90 project. I'm going to have it as a full video in a few days, but as you can see, I got the carburetor back here on the bench. And what I've been doing here is I've been tearing it apart, and I just realized that there's no spring on this float. Now the other carburetor has it. It's already done. I already got it ready. It's going to get ready to be put back on the tractor. I got the hose connection thing changed out. It's right here. I got that changed out. I changed the drain plug, as you see right here. I really need to get a new gasket because this gasket here, it's almost about had it, so you can see. But that's what I've been working on. This is going back on the tractor. I'm going to film that part off camera because you already know how it goes back together anyway. I've showed it to you a million times, so you don't need to see me do that. So I'll see what I want to do about this rebuilt carburetor. Either if I want to go ahead and proceed with it or just see if I can put a spring on it and maybe make it work. So I don't know.